I'm going to show you how you can use DHgate spreadsheets for bulk orders. Now, first off, you will have to find a spreadsheet. So I found this spreadsheet right here. I found this on Reddit. Credit to David13. He's the one who made this spreadsheet. I implore you to check out the original one here and say thanks to him as well. Now, this is a great spreadsheet here. There's a ton of products you can find here. It's a lot of products here. You can see there's almost 1,000 cells of products here. So this is how you can get your bulk orders here, right? So all of these spreadsheet are good quality products that has been curated by David their team there. So if you want to use this, for example, if I want to buy a Bathing Ape Pepesta here, all I have to do is to click on one of these cells, and then you can see it'll be the link. I'm just going to tap on this link. I'm going to tap on open link in new tab, and then it'll redirect me onto the DHgate page. Now this is where you can make the bulk orders here, right? So you'll know that the bulk order of these item will be of good quality because it's in the spreadsheet. So you can see this is what it will look like. So you can just buy it from the website here like this, right? So just buy these now, pick a color, pick a gray, and then tap on add to cart. And then you can see I can enter in a lot of bulk orders. So since it's a bulk order, obviously it means it'll be a lot. So I'm just going to enter in like 50 or something. And then I'm just going to tap on add to cart. And then that's it. I've made a bulk order with a spreadsheet.